With spring right around the corner, homeowners everywhere are itching to send winter off and welcome spring with open arms. Are you ready? I am. Hi, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 5 tips to making your spring cleaning more efficient. This will help you be ready for the spring market. Before you even grab your supplies, it's a good idea to sit down and map out a plan of attack. Having a plan of attack and how to clean something will help your spring cleaning go quickly and efficiently so you can get back to enjoying your day. Included in your plan should be a list of cleaning supplies you will need. Choose multi-purpose cleaning supplies to save you time and effort during the process. Research which products will get the job done and be the most efficient. When cleaning one room at a time, it's easy to see the progress you are making, which will help motivate you to keep working away. Once the room is done, shut the door and mark it off the list. Then move on to the next room, both physically and mentally. If you have a larger home or not a lot of time, choose the most important areas to focus on. These will more than likely be the most visible, such as living room, kitchen, office, and den. One of the fastest and easiest ways to make your house look clean is to get rid of the clutter. You don't have to keep things clean and tidy if they aren't there. So take a look at the things you really need and remove the things you don't. I would love to hear your tips on getting your spring cleaning done before the spring market. Comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first and your dream home is only a click away.